Hey Mario, do it again.
Think you got slick. I'm gonna get you. Give him a back.
Oh yeah, wait up. Let me get this. Let me get it. Wait up. Wait up.
Right here.
Give me a second.
Wait up. Let me get a good angle. Let me get a good.
Everybody get your guns out.
Are you ready?
Right here. There we go. Oh, he's gonna take it from everybody. Oh! Again!
Oh!
Who's next?
Who's next? Not me! Anybody else? Hey, where's Nancy?
That hurt. Oh, really? Who's next? One more. No.
Not that bad. Not that bad. He's showing all his welts.
I didn't know that.
How do I load it? Well, that's a trade secret. I'll be honest with you.
You got to take those hits to know.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's just coming out of this, or where's it? Oh,
Right out of
in the middle?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
That's just a homemade mock.
Yeah, just a mock-up, guys. I can pull it like this much, and it'll spin.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I got a micro switch inside that allows it to spin, and then the gas blows it. I mean, you can see. Watch. We'll go shoot.
Yeah, let's go shoot something else.
Telephone pole.
Wait up. Let me get it back here.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, wow. That's a good block. Oh, wasn't it?
Hold on.
How many rounds a minute?
About 100.
Hit that shed.
Per second? Yeah.
It's gonna hit something.
I want you on my team.
Well, the thing is, I brought it because I think this went last game, but
Like I said,
can't win the last game now.
got time to bleed. Remember Justin Ventura and Predator?
No. They changed it out.